Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for August 12th of 2025 is titled Perseids from Perseus. So what do we see here? Well, here we see a wide field view looking up at the sky, and we see a number of streaks of light going across it, and those are what are known as meteors. Now, a meteor is just a small bit of material, speck of dust, or even a grain of sand that vaporizes in Earth's upper atmosphere. And that's what we're seeing is the energy of it being destroyed, essentially, up in the atmosphere. And that then glows for a very short time, a fraction of a second, before it disappears and the material is gone. Now, you can see that they're following slightly curved paths. Now, that's not the way they would normally look in the sky. The idea is here that we're stretching out the image. We're looking at a spherical sky, and we're stretching it out to a flat plane, and therefore everything is going to be distorted. Just as we do when we distort the Earth into a flat map, it distorts things. Well, here we distort things as well, and we're getting those curved paths, which, if you looked up at the sky, would just follow straight lines on the sphere. Now, they appear to radiate from the direction of the constellation of Perseus. Now, this is all debris left behind by a comet, the comet known as Swift-Tuttle. And as the comet nears the sun, it leaves debris behind in its orbit. Now, that debris continues to follow the exact same orbit that the comet did. So it continues to orbit just around the sun, just like the comet did. And if the Earth happens to intersect that orbit, as it does with the case of Comet Swift-Tuttle, then we will get a meteor shower. So that is when the Earth is moving into the path of the comet and striking all that debris that could have been left behind thousands of years ago by the comet and has just continued to orbit since then until it happens to meet Earth and strike Earth's atmosphere. Now, this is from the Perseid Meteor Shower of last year, 2024, which is a very nice appearance of the shower, primarily because we didn't have a bright moon in the picture. Now, in this case, for this year, Perseids coming up are going to be fighting against a brighter moon that will rise right after the sun sets, making the sky brighter. Now, that doesn't change how many meteors occur, but it does change how many you can see. The brighter the sky is, the fainter of these meteors will then no longer be visible. So we will still not have quite as many visible this year simply because the moon is going to be in the way. But here we have the one from last year where we had a lot of meteors, and a good chance to at least see the brighter ones this year as well. And the Perseids is generally one of the better meteor showers that we see over the course of the year, peaking at often one or so meteors every minute. So that was our picture of the day for August 12th of 2025. It was titled Perseids from Perseus. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Orion's stellar heart. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.